Today we are going to explore a room called RootMe on TryHackMe. It is in a city of room, so let's solve it and let's get the flock. So before that, we need to start the machine. So we'll click here and start the machine, and we will connect with VPN to our Kali Linux machine. So we have did it, right? So we'll come back and we will wait for this to get an IP address, a target IP address. Till then, we will explore downside. We have task 2, that is reconnaissance. And what here is first, let us get information about the target. So as I did this kind of nmap, so further the things are left. So we will do it get together. We will scan the machine. We will get the information about it, and then we will fill here. Okay. So let's see. The target is there. Okay, 15 seconds. So we are going to use Nmap tool, and we are going to try an aggressive scan on the host IP address, on the target IP address. So let's wait for the result. Till then, we will go to the website, and as you can see here, we'll put our IP address. And okay, here is a website running. So let's check its source code. And if we see here source code, we don't have anything special or suspicious that are interesting that we can go with. So here is in a server.js, but it is nothing. We'll go back. We'll come to the website. See, then what we will do is we will use GoBuster to to find the hidden directories of the website. So we'll use GoBuster, and what we need to do is GoBuster dir and -u and the URL of the website, and -w and path of your directory of word list. Okay. So what we will do is we will go here. We will copy the IP address of this, copy there, and we will come back to the shell. We'll paste here, and then we will do enter. So it is scanning. Let's see the nmap result. So we got the nmap result. As you can see here, port 22 and port 80 is running on here. SSH and HTTP is running. Okay. Now nothing interesting there. We will wait for GoBuster to run. Okay, we got something. We got a directory called uploads. We will check it. If we check, oh, we don't have anything here. So we will go back to the shell. We will go to CSS. If we go here, it is normal only, I think. Yes, it is normal. We will go to the panel.css. Okay. Okay, then here is a panel. Then I think that it has something called panel directory or something website related to it or another domain. I think so. So let's wait for the scans. So here JS. Okay, we will look at. Okay, we have here. So nothing. Same like that. We have simple code of a function of JavaScript here. So it is not important that much. We'll go back. We'll go to the shell terminal. Okay, it's still making. Okay, let's go to the try hack me, and we will see here. Okay, what is the version of Apache? As we get here, we copied the version of Apache is 2.4.41, and then we go to the questions. If we see here, it is a service running on port 22. It is SSH, and after that, find the directories on web server using GoBuster tool. Okay, still we are doing with it. So yes, we got the hidden directory by using GoBuster. It is panel. So let's look what is there. So okay, on this panel directory, we have a file upload where we can upload any type of file on the server. Okay, so I think that is a hidden directory. We will fill here panel. You press enter. Okay, after that we'll go to the getting a shell from. Now what here is there, find a form to upload and get a reverse shell and find the flag. Okay, we need to get a reverse shell to get user.txt flag. So okay, uh, let's look. Let me fill it. Panel and enter. Oh, it's wrong. Something's wrong on. Yeah. So to get reverse shell, what we need to do is that come to the Google or any browser and search for reverse shell, and for PHP we want, because mostly on the CTFs, the servers required always the servers running on it always has a PHP related vulnerability. So according to it, we will try to upload the PHP reverse shell on it to get access. And if we see the hint on the TryHackMe website, then as you get there, this hint is try to get reverse shell by using PHP reverse shell. Okay, so we'll stop it and we will clear it. So now what we need to do is we need to upload the file. So I already done it. Come to the here and home. Then we will go to payloads. Then we have and we need to upload it. Okay. So it has been uploaded successfully. Okay. So we need to do is now we need to go to the upload section of this directory of this website directory and enter. Okay. As you can see here, here is our payload running. So what we need to do is we need to get a reverse shell to this. So we need to use netcat for it. Okay, to get reverse shell, we need to set up a listener. So we will set up a listener here. We will clear it and MC hyphen LVNT and port as 1337 and enter. And now we will go to the website. See, here is the payload. If I click here, first you need to set up a listener that I have been set up and I have got a successful reverse shell on this server. Okay. Now the next step is what you want to do is ls, and if you do ls then you get this information. So I don't have anything or any hint related to the user.txt file, so I need to find it. So I will use find command slash hyphen type f and then name of it hyphen name, and the name is user.txt and then enter. Okay, it is still finding. As you can see here, it is the no. Okay, it is getting still finding it. Mm, see, we got here. Okay, now what we will do is this: we will take it, copy it, then we will come down. Now we will do cat, we will paste it. So as we got the shell, means the flag of it, so we will copy it. We'll go to and here we'll paste it and then submit. After that, next step is privilege escalation. Now, now that we have a shell, let's escalate our privileges to get root. So the next task is privilege escalation. So the first question is search for files with SUID permissions. Which files is weird? So we need to find. So to find, we will use hint button. So I don't know typically what it is. So you can see this find this hyphen user root dot rem dot slash 4000. We'll copy it. So copy it. We'll come back to the Linux machine. We will search here, paste, and we will search. Okay, after copy pasting that particular command from the hint from the website, now we got this result. Okay, now what we want to do is that we need to find the file that should not have a SUID permission, but still it has. So we can find it and exploit it to get root privileges. Okay, so now we will go up. We will see where that file is. It can be either a Python or something else related to it, or it can be or SSL or SSH, something related to that. Okay, so we need to search for it. We need to see. So if okay. Now you can see here it is user bin Python 2.7. Okay, we can search for other. We can see for other. Okay, this is the perfect one. Okay, now what we need to do is we will go to the browser. We'll go to the GTBins, GTBins or something. The website is GTO. The website is GTFO bins, and we will enter. We'll go to this. We'll go to SUID and we'll search. Okay, we will go down. We'll go to Python. If you look here, Python. See, here is the Python. So we'll go to down. If you go down, see here is SUID. Now what we want to do is that we need to go to that particular path of this Python and we need to copy this command. So what we will do is we will do this. So first we need to go to the following path. So here is the Python. We will copy it. We will go down. So what we'll do is dot the path of it, and we will copy paste that particular thing from this -c import OS, the particular payload. We'll copy it, we'll go back, we'll come here, we'll paste here, and then enter. So what it says that it is syntax error. So we need to adjust this. So what we'll do is dot user slash bin slash python. Okay, after that particular here is a syntax error. We need to fix this. I used this. We type dot slash user dot slash user slash bin slash python, and the particular payload that we copied from the website called 4 bins. And so now we will go back and we'll paste here and we done enter. Now we have got root privileges. So as we know that we are solving many CTFs, and many CTFs, one thing is that we need to go to the root directory to get the root flag. So we'll do same now here, and then dot txt, and we will enter. So we don't have permission right now, it says. So we need to cat it slash root backslash root dot txt and then enter. Okay, we got the flag. Let's copy it and go to the web, try hack me, and then we will paste here and we will complete it. Okay, so one question is remaining still, and it is slash user slash bin slash python, and then we need to do enter. Okay, this is how we solved successfully our room. So if you like this video, then hit that like button. And so if you are new on this channel, then please hit the like button and subscribe to get more this type of videos. Till then, bye.